Alright, so today we're gonna go ahead and work on this bad boy right here. Vicrez gold glitter right here, full around. Can't even tell it was red. That's why we got the red tow hook, which we do sell. We have the 3-piece wheels, the full exhaust system, the carbon fiber steering wheel with the LED. It does not have the aero package right now. It is a C51 package, but it doesn't have a lip no more because we are gonna go ahead and replace it with our new lips here. All right, so the way that you could know that a C8 is the base model is without a lip. Obviously, it looks like it's not a C51. This one is a C51, but it does not have the lip on right now because we are gonna go ahead and exchange it with our newest products right here, VZ102460, VZ102459, and VZ102461, which it does come with the known winglets on the sides that go on the wheel liners, which is the one that we're gonna go ahead and install on the C8. Now, if you do wanna know the differences, we have 3 different types of the lips. They are in the centerpiece are the same, but for the side wing, we have one that looks more straight, a little bit more slanted. And then we have this one, which comes with the finish off of the winglet on the side. Up to you which one you want to get. They're all in gloss black, and then you could go ahead and use your OEM bolts on here, but it does come with the hardware, which is bolts and nuts and screws. It should be a pretty easy install, and we're all going to go ahead and install VZ102461. All right, so we're going to go ahead and use the OEM hardware, but the lip does come with its own hardware, which is screws, bigger size and smaller size for the assemble, and then bolts and nuts. Probably not gonna use bolts and nuts, but we'll go ahead and see throughout the install. Everything does come de-attached, so you're gonna go ahead and assemble it yourself before putting it onto the car. You might need some help to put it on, but if you don't have these type of screws, you are gonna have like the ones with the hexagon. We're gonna start assembling it. This will be our last pieces. We're gonna start with the center. So if you do notice on the bottom of the centerpiece, you do have like these studs. The studs are gonna sit inside this piece. And then from there, you could go ahead and attach the little screws into the slots, and then it should attach together. If you tie it too much, you might go ahead and break the stud, so you might want to be a little bit careful with that. Let it go. There. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the wheels so we can finish off the lip with the winglets on the sides. Take off these bolts right here. So we're gonna place the side winglet in close. You're gonna line it up to the pre-existing holes. You're going to grab 2 of the bolts that came with the hardware bag. Grab the 2 nuts and put it on the other side. All right, so the same thing we did on the driver's side, we're gonna do on the passenger side. You wanna line it all up. Finally on, it definitely completes the look. It makes the glitter pop even more, honestly. Like, it levels out the car. The overall look is amazing. Again, this car does rep the 3-piece wheels, the carbon fiber steering wheel, the engine cover in carbon fiber. We also have that in stock. The high wing. Of course, our exhaust system, exhaust tips. So make sure to like and subscribe, leave comments below. Make sure to let me know if I did anything wrong or what you would like to see different. Check out the YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, please.